I was buying a different brand, but the outer coating was so thin, they started breaking in the jar and my pill dispenser. Nature made capsules stay together until swallowed. I have very dry eyes. Flaxseed oil seems to help some. As one who is allergic to shellfish, I cannot take fish-derived omega anything. I even tried mega red krill. I never want to be that itchy again. This has no aftertaste, overpowering smell when you open the bottle, greasy feel in your mouth, acid reflux like fish-flavored burps. This stuff is amazing. I get the omegas without the nastiness that comes with the fish-based pills. My doctor wants me to take a daily flaxseed capsule, and these are perfect. And at great price versus Walgreens, CVS, etc. I have bad dry eye and my ophthalmologist recommended this type of supplement to help UPT additional oils back into my tear duct glands. Seems to work, help. Not a doctor, so don't take my words as definitive. Just my experience. Works for me. For some reason cold not find flaxseed in drugstores. They all carried fish oil and I need flaxseed oil. I am African American. After complimenting another black woman on her natural long hair, she told me she used flaxseed oil to get her hair so long. I decided to include the pill in my supplement regime because my gray hair is thinning in the front. Click link in description for more reviews. Please subscribe.